This is Jim from Faber Industrial Technologies. Today we're going to demonstrate how to Megger test a self-regulating heat trace cable.
To perform a Megger test, first make sure the power to the RTPC power connection kit is turned off to avoid any possible shock. Next, remove the cover of the RTPC power connection kit. You will need to use a standard 1000 volt or 2500 volt insulation tester like the one shown. Attach one of the leads to the ground braid and the other to one of the legs of the heat trace. Measure and record the reading, then move the lead to the other leg on the terminal block. Measure and record this reading as well. The insulation tester should measure a minimum of 5 megohms after installing the cable in the pipe. If so, you have an acceptable reading. The heat trace Megger test is now complete. For more info and support, please feel free to contact us regarding your application.